Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Artists unite for the Stronger remix. Some of the biggest names in the local music fraternity have collaborated for the remix of gospel singer Kevin Downswell's 2012 hit Stronger. The collaborative effort sees Jamaican artists Kevin Downswell, Christopher Martin, Kamar Haikon, Wayne Marshall, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Tassanchin, Jessica Yap, Sharita Lewis, Singer J, Richie Stevens, and DJ Bambino. Kevin Downswell shared that the Stronger remix is coming together to spread a powerful message of togetherness and love.
God makes us stronger. He makes us stronger. And there is also strength in unity. I can't be in my corner and you're in your corner and we expect to come out of this dark tunnel better. It's the more united we are, is the better we're going to come out of this process. A lot of times when people are going through stuff, we are always tempted to just focus on our own and just get by. But if there's one thing this season has taught us, it is that we need each other more than we thought.
Nothing can stop us. We will get through this time. Respect of the big for those on the front line.
Featured artists Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, and Christopher Martin shared their support for the message of the Stronger remix.
Sending a strong message across the world to stay strong in the most adversity and hard times or difficult times, you know?
Without each other helping each other, we are nothing. So, unify, we stand. And if we are part of fall, so you have to just be strong as Jamaican and we say, love each other, help each other, you know.
This song means a lot to me because it's about empowerment, it's about encouragement, it's about upliftment, you understand? Yeah man, we will be stronger.
Now Fame frequencies to set off the fireworks this weekend at the latest party. Television Jamaica marketing executive Nakarno Williams, who is still on the high from last week's staging of Fame Frequency the Playoffs, shared details on the theme for this week's staging.
This week, however, we're going to bring musical explosions in fireworks. So we want people to come out to expect a nice cosmopolitan mix of music. We're going to be bringing out the EDM, the reggaeton, the crossover artists from Jamaica to US. We're going to just be bringing a whole explosion of good, clean music.
Feel free to glam up for the glitzy international affair and get ready to dance non-stop. Use the Fame Frequency hashtag to party across all our social media platforms. And remember to visit Fame95FM and RETV's Instagram pages for details to register for the Zoom room. And see you this Saturday night at 9 p.m. on RETV for Fame Frequency the Fireworks. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.